Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyanka. Today in this video, I'm going to create a very nice soft Indian ethnic look which you can easily do at home. So yeah, if you're interested, keep watching and let's get started. Alright, so the first thing is to moisturize your face. So you can use a very affordable product like this one, Nivea, or whichever moisturizer you use according to your skin type. So while your skin is absorbing this moisturizer, meanwhile you can just do your eyebrows. So for easy look, I generally don't go for the powder products. You can just use a pencil. This is from Sugar, but you can use any micro eyebrow pencil, to be honest. So this always comes with a spoolie brush, and just brush your eyebrows in the right direction, upward direction. Just fill it in wherever you see the gaps. So now our moisturizer is properly absorbed by our skin and we are good to go. Because I want to use less quantity for the soft look, and this is a full coverage concealer, I'm just taking it in my finger. Spread it over your eyelid area. Then take a small sponge and blend it. Now once you're done with applying your concealer, you need to apply eyeshadow, but we don't want it to be too time taking and blending and all that. We just want a soft look which should be easily done at home by yourself. So we are going to use eyeshadow palette. This is from Mars, very affordable one. I think it was for 200 rupees. But then it has some really nice pretty pink shade, some shimmer shade and brown. So today what I'm going to use is this. This is not very pink like too bright, but I think it goes on all skin tones. Now I have enough pigment in my finger and I will use this in the center. Now what I like to do is for the outer corner, I'll take just one tap and spread it here in the outer corner like this. So I generally like that technique where your inner corner is highlighted by a lighter shade or a shimmer shade. So I'll go with this and show it to you. Use it in the inner corner. And that is done. So it's so easy, and this eyeshadow look is so soft and subtle that it will go with any Indian ethnic look. Just try it out, and we are good to go with our next step, which is to color correct or hide your pigmentation little bit, which I'm not going to do like very heavy coverage. I'm just using the same concealer. Near the eye area. So for eye areas, these blenders really help because they're small. Forehead is optional. If you have tanning there, go ahead, do it like me, or you can skip it. So the concealer I'm using for myself for color correcting and eyelid area as well, it's same, and I use this Forever 52 COV003. After this, it is up to you whether you want to apply BB cream, CC cream, sheer coverage foundation, full coverage foundation. It's entirely a choice, to be honest. Today I'm going to use not a foundation, not BB cream, CC cream. I'm going to use this another concealer which is from MAC, because I will be using two concealers. So one is this shade which is more close to my skin tone, and then I'll use a light brighter shade. I'm using a damp sponge because this is more of medium coverage. It's not very heavy on my skin, but at the same time it will give me that coverage. I like to use it as foundation rather than concealer. As concealer, this is really not my top choice. So whenever you don't like the product for its own original purpose, you can always find some other way to use it, and that's what I'm doing. Now the brighter shade I'm going to use is from Swiss Beauty. Use it here, forehead. Now the eye area, again you can use this if you're comfortable, or the small sponge as well. Don't be too pushy or harsh, just soft. Now this concealer is from Too Faced, but you can use any dark shade concealer than your skin tone for a bronzing effect. You can use a different sponge for this. Just tap 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 tap. And this gives that warmth to your face. Now you can use a cream blush or a liquid blush here at this point. So this is from LA Girl Cream Blush and the shade is GBF44 Kissa. I'm just going to use very less quantity, not even this much. Now I will use the sponge and add it here. So you see it looks much blended, like both your bronzing shade and blush. Now we need to apply liner, so you can use an angled brush or you can directly use eyeliner if you're comfortable. Just brush off your liner, and once you have a good pointed end, okay, so you see we have not done any wing, we have done a very soft thin liner so that your eyes look intensified, but there's no drama there because we are looking for the soft look. Now for lower lash line, I would suggest you to use a gel eyeliner and take your angled brush. So this is how you can get that lower lash line soft look. Now we are left with lipstick and it has to be in sync, so let me share that with you. So the shade I used was from Inside. This is Molten Pink, and lip liner from K Beauty and Swiss Beauty lip gloss. Now for the Indian ethnic look, you can obviously go with a bindi. Let's try this, and yeah, you're done. This is our final look, and please don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, find it useful, and I hope to see you soon guys. Thank you. Bye bye.